Okay, two reasons. Why did the Nike trade work so well? Obviously, the first one is because the stock went right to our strike, right? But why else? Why else? And this is so critical. We talk about it. Exactly, Alan and Andrew. No, not because I'm awesome, Pete, although thank you very much. Here's the real big reason. So when we evaluate our volatilities, okay, we had evaluated our long vol dropping to about 26% based on our charts. And we always want to be conservative, right? We always want to value our long vol lower, or at least on the bottom end of where we think it's going to go. Because then if it doesn't drop as much, that's a benefit to us. Well, we're getting out with vol about 2 points higher than we had evaluated. Well, 2 points higher with a vega of almost 5.5 cents doesn't seem like a lot, but that's an extra 11 cents that we're able to collect.